comrades, I'm here at the Transportation Center in Portland, Maine, where I'm going to take a Amtrak train down one stop to Old Orchard Beach, which is a place that's popular around here. And the train's not till 11, so I had a really slow, lazy morning. And my Airbnb host was actually gracious enough to drive me around Cape Elizabeth to look at all the different lighthouses they have down there. We went to Two Lights State Park to see the two lighthouses there, and we drove by Bud Light, which are lighthouses I didn't get to see when I was exploring on my own on foot. And we were there with her and her dog Dexter, and it was just a really easy, pleasant, scenic morning. And then she dropped me off here, which is great because I'd have to take a 1.5 mile walk and then a couple buses to get here. So this makes my life a lot easier and more pleasant. So far this day is going great, and I can't wait to get to Old Orchard Beach. Welcome to Old Orchard Beach, which is a 10-minute Amtrak train ride from Portland, and the earliest train is at 11, but even at this hour, it's bustling with people on this summer day. Before I go and pick a spot on the beach to just be lazy for the rest of the afternoon, I'm kind of exploring a little. There's a pier here, there's a carnival, permanent carnival, and there's plenty of places to get a slice of pizza, poutine, fried Oreos, and all sorts of other fun snacks. Just got out from the pier. It's very tight with little shops and bars and restaurants, places where you can grab a $10 lobster roll, a slice of pizza, get a tattoo or a toe ring. It has all sorts of fun little things you might expect to find around the beach. But at the very end, there's a restaurant you can go to right over the water, and that's as far as you can go. I was able to find a compromise between wanting to get something ordinary and unhealthy like pizza, but also get something local and specialty like lobster roll. So I actually ended up getting a poutine pizza, which I've never seen anywhere before. It has all the unhealthy food that I'm smelling and craving, like French fries and pizza and cheese, but also it's something you'll never find anywhere. It's actually not that bad. I like it.
You always love to leave, so I'll give you hot. Can you say hot?
Yes to poutine pizza. Down south of the beach thinking it would be less crowded there, but it's still really crowded, so I came to the water and I started walking east, and now I'm under the pier, and it's just so cool and breezy and peaceful here. I'm kind of just hanging out for a while with the barnacles, waiting to do my next move. Bringing my own umbrella to the beach and to the trip, but in the end I just didn't end up putting it in my bag. But luckily my Airbnb host lent me this one, this coach umbrella, which, you know, it works. The water's not too cold, it's pretty nice, and the air is cool but not like freezing, and the sun is shining bright. It's a perfect day to be at the beach. That's why everyone else is here too. I'm having to evacuate because the tide is coming in and I'm stuck between a crowd and a wet place. So I'm gonna head back towards the pier and see if there's a better spot, or just see if I can get some early dinner or something like that. Well, in addition to the tide rising, it's getting really busy around here, but it looks like the amusement park is opening, and I think I want to ride the Ferris wheel before I go. So it costs 4 tickets to ride the Ferris wheel, which is about $6.50, which I think is a good deal. So I'm gonna do it. It's not 4 yet, but it seems open, so I'm going straight to the Ferris wheel. Be one of the first ones on it. Just a little bit of time left before my train back to Portland, so I got some fried scallops to eat before I get back on the train. I've never had scallops that are fried. I don't know if that means they're breaded. Probably they're breaded. Either way, it should be good. Another seafood thing before I'm so far away from the sea. So for $15, I got a half a pint of fried scallops. They're definitely scallop shaped, sort of. They're warm. They taste fishy. They're not salted. Pretty good. I still like them seared better. Well, I hope you've enjoyed exploring Old Orchard Beach and Maine with me. If you want to see more of my travels, please subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time, bye.